Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G84, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, we want to open up our contacts application. Make sure you open up the standalone version of it, like this one. And here you want to select Fix and Manage, and then Manage SIM. This will in turn show you all the contacts that are on your SIM card. By default, if none of these contacts already exist on your device or whatever you are importing them to, they should all be selected. Now, if you have some of the contacts that already exist on your device, for instance, like I do, so these contacts already exist, they will be deselected and grayed out, so I cannot import them again because that would create duplicate contacts. But if I were to change the location where I save the contacts to something like, for instance, the device, automatically all these contacts will become selected because none of them exist on the device. Now from here we can select Import. This will import all selected contacts. And when you go to Contacts List, depending on where you have imported your contacts to, you might need to switch the location, which you do so by clicking right here. The T stands for my Google account, test, I guess. But as you can see, once you tap on it, you also have other options like device, and this will display all the contacts that I have just imported to the device. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.